Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Yayashi SP4 toothpaste. So as you can see right here, they claim that to get ready for a brighter and whiter smile with natural ingredients and effective, removes years of stain caused by coffee, tea, and wine, blah blah blah, and freshness breath, long-lasting freshness, easy to use, and SP4 probiotic toothpaste whitening. And as you can see, they're actually rated 3.2 out of 5 stars here, which is a relatively mixed review. And if you scroll on over down here to the review tab, as you can see, it's 40% 5-star and 27% 1-star. So if you read here the reviews, a lot of people say it's 5 stars and a lot of people say it's 1 star. So this person said it did not like the taste. Also arrived later than anticipated, blah blah blah. This ad is misleading. This product does not whiten your teeth, mantra, but yes, they clean a little bit better than regular paste. However, the product is not in itself a scam. It's just a false advertising. And this person actually said they like the taste because does not overwhelm their taste buds with mint, unlike toothpastes that overwhelm your taste buds, which can actually make you shed a tear if it's too much. Yeah, that is basically it. This product is not a scam. However, it is just like any other toothbrush or toothpaste out there that is that whitens or that cleans your teeth very well. And that is it. That is a review on Yayashi SP4 probiotic whitening toothpaste. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.